Rome wasn't built in a day. And there's good reason. Cities are an ever-growing, ever-changing, disruptive and complex life system. While the smart city concept was a great start, cities of the future need to go one step even further.
Prestige developers are spearheading the adaptable city concept in cities across India.
Modular design and construction, such as the Me1 method, support rapid integration and dynamic provisioning.
Efficient building design and resilient communities ensure climate and physical disruptions, such as global pandemics, are mitigated.
Larger floor plans, home workspaces, and integrated schools and offices further mitigate disruptions and embrace changing patterns, such as work from home.
Multi-use spaces allows for large-scale efficiency tailored to user needs.
The Prestige facility management teams work hand in hand with companies and resident associations to customize properties for day-to-day use.
And most importantly, Prestige adaptable cities focus on blending the natural environment with the hard-built environment.
With more than 75% open spaces, extensive landscaping with native flora, residents benefit from the natural processes of the green infrastructure. At Prestige, we're building the cities of the future today.